So this is another example, right? We want to try to convert this set of equations to a signal flow graph. So what do we do whenever we want to change the signal graph to set of signal flow graph? The first thing you need to do is to identify your nodes. Which one is your input node, your output node, and your mix node? So let's look at it together. Everything on the right hand side is our output node, supposedly our output node. Everything inside there supposedly should be our input node. But when a situation where you have what should be in the output, you have it in the input or the repeat, then you call it a mix node. In this case, if you look at it carefully, you will see that nothing repeated. The output is not here. I can't find any of these inside here. So if there is no mix node, same thing with the input, I can't find it here. So we have the output and input node. So how many outputs do we have? We have 3 outputs. How many inputs do we have? We have just 2 inputs. So what I'll just do is this. This side is my input, this side is my output. So I have 2 inputs. The inputs are what? X1 and X2. Then I have 3 outputs. The output is Y1, Y2, and I have Y3. So these are the input and output. Now, this alphabet attached to them, the input, are called the gains. These guys are referred to the gains. So let's take them one after the other. This output is saying that it has 2 signals coming inside. This is an output, and these 2 signals are coming to meet it. So where's my output? Y1. I have how many signals coming to meet it? This and this, carrying what? TA and TB. So let's start with this one. So X1 is coming to meet Y1 and carrying TE. So I have X1 is coming to meet Y1 but is carrying what? TE. So which other one again? We have X2 coming to meet Y1 but is carrying TB. So X2 coming to meet Y1 and carrying TB. So X2 will go and meet Y1 and it is carrying what? TD. Go to the next equation. Next equation is Y2. So we have both X1 and X2 coming to Y2 but carrying TB and TC. So I have X1 going to Y2 and it's carrying what? TB. So it's going to Y2 and carrying TB. Same thing applies here. X2 is going to Y2 carrying TC. So X2 is going to what? Y2, but it's carrying what? Carrying TC. So the last one now is Y3. Y3 has both X1 and X2 coming in and carrying TC and TB. So again, X1 is going to what? Y3 and it is carrying what? TC. We also have X2 going to Y3 carrying TB. So X2 will go to Y3 or is carrying what? TB. So we've just converted this set of equations to a signal flow graph. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. See you in our next video.